fam, thank you for coming back and watching another one of my videos. If this is your first time, welcome, and after you have watched the video, please go ahead and subscribe and like and become a part of this family. If you are already a family member, I love and appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah! Hi fam, welcome back to this channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you are already a subscriber, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you. I appreciate you. Today we're going to make a beautiful centerpiece. Okay, the supplies you would need for this tutorial are: we need a small foam ball, flower ring, okay, 1 diamond wrap, some rhinestones, 7 candle holders. Now these candle holders or tea light holders are in stock right now at the Dollar Tree. They come in white, gray, and black. We need 2 tea lights. We need at least 4 or 5 bundles of flowers. You need some glue gun, scissors, wire cutters, and a large round mirror. Okay, you ready? Let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to add my rhinestones onto my tea light holders. Now each one of these rhinestones have some adhesive sticky stuff on the back of them, so all I have to do is apply it right onto the candle holder. And you can, if you want to, you can add some glue, put some glue behind it. Okay, so what we're going to do is start applying. Okay, now I'm finished gluing on all the rhinestones on all 5 of the tea light holders, okay? And I'm going to take 2 of the tea light holders and glue them on top of each other, okay? Take the first one. Okay, make sure it's straight. And I'm only going to use 3 in all. Okay, after I finished gluing all 3 together, okay, now we're going to take our diamond wrap and we're going to measure it right around between the tea light holders, okay? And so we're going to cut it out. And we're going to cut at least 2 rows out, okay? Like this. And we're going to glue it. After that, we're going to take our candle holders and we're going to glue it on top of our tea light holders. Okay, while that's drying, I'm going to move them aside. Okay, now we're going to glue our flowers all around our foam ball. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to glue my flower arrangement on top of my tea light holders. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add some baby breath to the top of my arrangement. Okay, I'm finished putting the baby breath on top of the flower arrangement. Now I'm going to put it all together and I'll be finished. Okay fam, it's sharing time. I'm going to share with you 5 items I purchased from the Dollar Tree. You ready? Number 1, I got these headbands. They're so pretty. They come in all different colors. You can wear them with different outfits. Some baby oil. It's good for your skin. Also, this pill box. Now these pill boxes come in handy, especially if you're taking like different vitamins and stuff and you want to keep track of what you take and when you take it. And also if you on any type of medication, you surely want to keep track of what you take and when you take it. So this would be good for that. A phone pouch. Oh, isn't it beautiful? It is really beautiful. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead on and put my phone in here and see if it fits. Number 1. Okay. Oh, it has a little string in here, you guys. You can put it across your, I guess, right across your, put it around your head and put it across your body. And let it hang on the side of you. That's pretty cool. It fits, you guys. Oh, I love this. Maybe I'll go get some more of them and give them out for Christmas or something. Now I know this zipper better close. Okay. And then purple is one of my favorite colors. Purple, pink, and blue, royal blue. Okay, and last but not least, look at this, you guys. This beautiful fingernail polish. Can you guys see it? Okay, my hands are slippery. Oh, here it is. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Love it, 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 love it. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed these 5 items that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Thank you for Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for pushing that like button. Please come back for my next tutorial. Mwah!